Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some amazing rustic holiday soups to warm your winter nights. There's nothing like a hearty bowl of soup to cozy up with when it's chilly outside, am I right? So, let's dive right in. First up, we have a classic butternut squash soup. This one is super creamy and rich, perfect for those cold evenings. Start by peeling and cubing a medium-sized butternut squash. Toss it in some olive oil, salt, and pepper, then roast it at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes until it's golden and tender. While that's roasting, chop up an onion, a couple of garlic cloves, and a carrot. Sauté them in a large pot with a bit of olive oil until they're soft and fragrant. Add the roasted squash to the pot along with 4 cups of vegetable broth. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Then blend it all up until it's velvety smooth. Finish it off with a dash of nutmeg and a swirl of heavy cream. Trust me, it's like a warm hug in a bowl. Next, we're going for something a bit more robust, venison stew. This one's perfect if you're looking for something hearty and filling. Start by cutting your venison into bite-sized chunks and season them with salt and pepper. Brown the meat in a large pot with some olive oil. Then set it aside. In the same pot, add chopped onions, carrots, celery, and a couple of garlic cloves. Cook them until they're just starting to brown. Add a tablespoon of tomato paste and stir it in for a minute. Deglaze the pot with a cup of red wine, scraping up all those tasty bits at the bottom. Return the venison to the pot, then add 4 cups of beef broth, a couple of bay leaves, and some thyme. Let it simmer on low for about 2 hours until the meat is tender and the flavors meld together beautifully. Serve it up with some crusty bread, and you've got yourself a meal that'll stick to your ribs. So there you have it, folks. 2 delicious hearty soups to make your winter nights warm and cozy. Give these recipes a try and let me know how they turn out in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Stay warm and happy cooking. Catch you next time.